Welcome back to Green Tea Garden, everyone. So today I'm going to tell you why you should grow your zucchini or squash plant vertically and why you should prune them. And I'm going to show you exactly how they're growing in container or in ground. Those are my squash and zucchini plant right there. Some are grown in the container, some are grown in the ground. My number one reason why you should prune and grow vertically is space. You could see I don't have the world's biggest backyard or garden here, but I'm gonna tell you, by doing this, I save so much space. If I didn't grow them vertically up, they would have run a long way. And you get or crossway. And you got to remember, these plants grow 4 or 5 feet. So 4 or 5 feet, which was my mistake in the first year of gardening. I used to let them run. So for an example, like this one here, this is a pumpkin plant, and I'm gonna show you right now. Look, I let them run, right? Now, if this was a squash, it's gonna run there. Then I got another squash running here. So I'm not gonna have enough space. I'm not gonna even be able to walk. So by growing them vertically upward, look how much plants I literally have here. And it's not over yet. I'm not done because I'm gonna be going all the way there, baby. I'm gonna tell you, I'm planting so much squash and zucchini plant, over 20 something or maybe 30 plant this year. And it's because of growing vertically. I already prune some of the leaves are. Look, there's no bottom leaves. The reason why you prune off the bottom leaves, they don't touch the soil. You don't get any disease. The bugs are not crawling up there and, attacking your plant. Another reason for pruning, and nothing on the bottom, you got to remember, the bees come right in and will fly right up and pollinate all your fruit. You wouldn't lose your fruit. And then remember, good air. This is good airflow for the plant. And by pruning, you can understand, zucchini and squash, they grow massive leaves. I mean, big giant leaves, massive. This one from the hailstorm, look at the size. It's way bigger than my palm, and they could grow bigger than this. So you can remember, the plant use more energy to grow leaves, to produce big leaves. So if we are removing the big ones from the bottom every time we harvest, the plant will use more energy to produce fruit. And remember, the main reason why we're growing, guys, because we love it, but we also love eating fresh vegetables. And because I live in a short gardening season area, we don't have a lot of garden. I prune because it speeds up the growing process, and I could get faster harvest, which you guys should do. This how you get fast harvest and the best production. And another thing you got to remember, if all your plants are close together and you're not pruning them, the bugs could come in and hide and you wouldn't even know where the bugs are doing. All you'll see, your leaves are turning yellow and your fruit is falling, rotting out and falling off and all that bad stuff. Especially when you have squash vine borders or you have squash bugs, you gotta be careful, because now as everything is open up and I'm pruning, soon as I see a leaf is going bad or I see a bug, I'm on it right away. And the good thing about this, you see your fruit. You'll see your fruit as it's growing, and you could harvest on time. You don't let your plant overripe and waste so much energy on a vegetable which you could harvest and get more. If you're new, don't be afraid. Check out my playlist. I have videos how to prune, how to grow your zucchini and squash vertically. And I gotta tell you, you guys know I get harvest. Check out my playlist from last year. I get tons of harvest. And it's not like I'm making these things up or I'm like telling you guys to do something, that's not gonna work. If you're new, I know it's always nervous, you're always scared, you're always stressed out, you're not sure what to do. But I'm telling you, if you don't have a lot of space and you want faster harvest and maximum production, prune and go vertically. Grow your plants vertically. It looks, forget about all the benefit, it looks so clean and it looks so neat, and the harvest, it's amazing to harvest when it's this. It's not like all bushy, it's not like a hot mess and you have to like go through all the plants to just find your fruit. No. Everything is well organized when you're growing vertically.